Hey everybody, Silver to Burn back. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I can do it without cutting my fingers off. Looking around the tripod. So I'm not sure what's in here, but I'm sure it's some good stuff. Let's do this. Silver to Burn, Connecticut quarter. That's where Billy's from. Hope everything is well. Enjoy these items I sent you, and thanks again for my stuff. Let me know when you get this. Your friend Billy. Thank you, bud. Thank you back, buddy. All right. Let's get into it. Ooh, they're flying everywhere. He sent me some popcorn. No, he didn't. It's fake popcorn. He told me he was going to send me some stuff to pour. Said he went down to the beach and picked up some cool shells for me. I told him I wouldn't mind having a couple shells to see if I could pour a couple of these. Awesome. This would be cool. You fill it up with sand, or fill it up little by little with glue until it's full right to the top there, because otherwise sand will go in there. And pour it in silver. Awesome. Thank you, Billy. What do we have here? Billy sent it all. Alright. Got plenty of popcorn. All we need now is a movie. Oh, we're doing one. Alright, let's see what we got here. Said he was going to send me a Zippo lighter. Wanted me to cast it or cast the front of it. You can press that down on the clay. Sand. Cast this whole thing in silver. It's about the size of a 10-gram bar. Be kind of cool. Giddy up. Alright, what else we got? What is that? It's a crazy smooth rock. What a nice one. Must be from the beach. Must be all shined up from washing back and forth on the shore there. Can't get any smoother than that. Pour that out of silver. A nugget. Cool. Uh-oh. Now I got something to open up all my packages with. Ooh, sharp little sucker. Awesome. Now I won't have to use this one on my scissors. Very cool. Watch out, she's sharp. Alright. Then he's going to send me a couple of Franklin's, or Frankie's? No, these are Kennedy's. Can't see her on the camera. Couple candies, a 64 and a 67. Awesome. And a silver prospector bar, older style. Let's take it out. Oops. Which way's up? Awesome. Prospector bar. Older style one. Alright. Thanks, Billy. Billy Gania. Check him out.